A quick update on MYRO. So MYRO short term here, we're going to go from the high to this wick low, and hopefully the bottom is in here. You can see we're getting stuck right at the 236 here. So still bearish as long as you're below one and then 1.5 here. So you can come up to either of these levels. The bottom would be in, bullish over the penny and a half here, but you have to get over that penny and a half to have any sort of move up confirmation over 1.8, and then that could send you up to the 786 we're below and we got stuck at. And this red box here is going from the ultimate high to the low. That is your 236 to put the macro bottom in. So ultimately, those smaller prices you have to get over, and then you have to get over this red box to confirm a macro bottom here. So zooming back out to the weekly chart. Now, just looking at it here, we're putting in slightly higher low, so it could still come down, but we'll see what happens. And if you look at it on non-log scale, you can clearly see it's already back at the bottom. So looking at it on non-log scale, it looks like the bottom should be in on MYRO here. So not a bad spot to be buying in, not financial advice, of course, but we'll see what happens here. Just watch those shorter price turn, or those price targets rather. Now, the big question is, if this is the bottom finally on MYRO, where is it going to end up in price? So what we can do here is you can see that we'll go from, let me draw another one on the chart here. We'll go from the, yeah, we'll go back and draw this one on the chart. So we'll go from the high here to the low. If that is the bottom, a 618 retracement, they're pretty much matching up, so I can just go ahead and get that off. So a 618 retracement would take you up to the 382, and that would be your confirmation for a breakout and a bull run over 10 cents. So that would be your 8x, and then a 786 retracement up here around 18, 19 cents would be your 13x. Now, is MYRO going to go higher than that? I have no idea. If MYRO is going to come up here and potentially hit $1, I think that would be a fair price from where it is right now. If we have some sort of a decent bull run. I say fair, but you can see that's a massive, now that we've died, that's about a 75x on MYRO. So we'll see how it plays out. And if this is the bottom, of course, comment down below. Are you still holding MYRO? Is this a good target for a bottom, or you think it's going to go lower from here? And with that being said, none of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.